The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain temporary restraining orders and preliminary injunctions in Illinois divorce cases. First, let's talk about what they are. They're both in forms of injunctive relief, and this is basically the court ordering somebody to do something or refrain from doing something as opposed to paying money damages. The purpose of a temporary injunction is to preserve the status quo until a final order can be entered after a hearing on the merits and presentation of evidence and arguments by the parties. The courts will grant a temporary injunction if the petitioner can demonstrate the immediate threat of irreparable injury and that money damages after the fact will be insufficient to compensate them for whatever injury is caused. So let's talk about now the difference between a temporary restraining order and a preliminary injunction. There's two major differences. One is the notice requirements. So a TRO can be entered without notice to the other party if the person petitioning for the TRO can show that if notice is given, whether it's because the person is tipped off or because of the time it would take to give the notice, irreparable injury would occur. Courts don't like to enter TROs without notice, but they will do it if there will be irreparable injury if notice is given. Preliminary injunctions always require notice to the other side. The second difference is the duration of the order. A TRO expires after 10 days. A preliminary injunction will last until a final order can be entered after a hearing on the merits of the case. So now you know what TROs and preliminary injunctions are and how they're different. Let's talk about how they're used in divorce cases. The Illinois Marriage and Dissolution of Marriage Act provides that injunctive relief can be entered on a temporary basis to accomplish any of the following purposes. One purpose is to prevent any person from transferring, encumbering, concealing, or otherwise disposing of any property and requiring him or her to notify the other party of any extraordinary expenditures. Another purpose for a temporary injunction in the context of a divorce case is to prevent a party from leaving the court's jurisdiction with a child for more than 14 days. Another purpose that's listed in the IMDMA is to prevent a party from interfering with the personal liberty of the other party or any child. And finally, there's a catch-all provision that says the court can enter a temporary injunction for any other purpose that it finds appropriate. Now, one thing to understand is that the issuance of a temporary injunction does not impact the final order that will be entered. So the fact that a court enters a TRO or a preliminary injunction doesn't necessarily mean that the presumption is that it will enter the final order in that same party's favor. So that's what you need to know about temporary restraining orders and preliminary injunctions in divorce cases. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666, the 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on Apple Podcasts, SoundCloud, and YouTube. You can also subscribe to our email list at learn-about-law.com. Any of those things are helpful to us, but you'll be notified of our daily article and video posts. We post a new article and video every day, so you'll be told what the topics are. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.